Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Buy For Me button on your WooCommerce website. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the demo WooCommerce website and you will see a Buy For Me button on each product. If I click on this button, it is going to open a pop-up. Let's say I want someone else to buy this product for me. In that case, I'm going to use the Buy For Me option. Here you will see a pop-up and this is the preview of the email which will be sent to other person. So that means I'm going to send one email to other person and the person will buy this product for me. Here you will see the preview of the email. At the top we have the logo, this is the message and this is the product and a shop now button. This is how it will be sent to the receiver. I can change the color schemes also. You will see multiple color options are there. So the user will be able to change the color scheme. Here you will see the button text shop now. This is the message. Using this option, user will be able to customize the message. Let me show you. I want to change this text and I want to personalize it. Hey Jim, would you please buy this dress for me? So this is how I can change the content in the email. Below that you will see hide price. If I do not want to show the price to the receiver, I can check this option and it is going to hide the price. If I uncheck it, it is going to show the price. Below that you will see your name and your email address. So this is going to be the user's name and email address. And below that you will see a receiver's name and a receiver's email address. So Jane is going to send one email to Jim and Jim is the person who is going to buy the product for Jane. And below that you will see email subject. Here you will see the default subject is I can forgive you. Instead of that, I'm going to customize it. Hi Jim, I want you to buy like this. So the user will be able to customize the email subject also. Once the form is filled up, click on send an email and one email will be sent to the receiver. The receiver will be able to see the product in the email. There will be a shop now button. When the receiver clicks on the button, it will go to the website and receiver will be able to buy the product for the user. The plugin that I'm going to use is a viral WooCommerce plugin, Buy For Me. And the price of this plugin is only $29. You will also get 6 months support and future updates. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. There is another plugin available on official WooCommerce website, Buy For Me for WooCommerce, and the price of this plugin is $39 per year for a single website. The features and the settings of both the plugins are similar. If you want to buy any one of these plugins, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's see how we can add Buy For Me button on a WooCommerce website.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo WooCommerce website. Now we are going to add a Buy Me button on this WooCommerce website. I have already downloaded the plugin from the website. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's go back to the website, go to dashboard, then go to plugins and click on add new plugin. I have downloaded and saved it on the computer. So let's click on upload plugin and click on choose file. This is the plugin file. So I'm going to select the file, click on open and click on install now. Click on activate plugin. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. Now let's go to WooCommerce and go to settings. And here you will see a new tab is added, Buy For Me. Let's click on it. And these are the basic settings of this plugin. Okay, before that, let's go to the website. This is the default layout of this demo website. You do not see any Buy For Me button here. So let's refresh the page. And you will see that the Buy For Me button is added automatically. If I click on it, it is going to open a Buy For Me form. So let's close it and let's go back to the settings of this plugin. So under the general settings, you will see logo image path. Here you can enter the URL of your logo. If I go to this website, if I click on it, you will see this is the logo for this website. At the top, you will see this is the logo. If you do not know what is the URL of your logo, you can simply right click on the image and you will see an option copy image address or copy image link. Click on it and put the link of your logo here. Below that, you will see logo image height, which is set to 60 pixel. and I think this one looks good. Right, so I'm not going to make any changes. Then we have enable buy for me. Make sure that this option is enabled. Now below that you will see show buy for me button on shop or category pages. So this is the shop or the category page. If I go to shop page here, you will see the buy for me button on all the products. And if I go to single product page, you will see the buy for me button is also added on the single product page. So if you do not want this button to be shown on the category or the shop page, you can uncheck this option. Below that we have show buy for me button on single product page like this. If you do not want it here, you can uncheck this box. Then we have place buy for me button below other elements on product page. So it is below other elements on product page. Show buy for me button for new products by default, that is enabled. Show hide price option. Now if I go here, if I click on this button, you will see an option here, hide price. If I check this option, the price will be gone from the email. If I uncheck it, you will see the price of this product that will be sent in email. Right, now then we have trigger buy for me action while additional WooCommerce plugins are active like quick view. If you have quick view plugin on your WooCommerce website, you can trigger the buy for me button also. I'm going to leave it as it is. Then we have show disclaimer notice at the bottom of sent email. So you're going to show a disclaimer notice at the bottom of the sent email. Then we have font awesome icon. If you want to add icon, you can add icon. Then we have product image size is set to product thumbnail. This is the tracking parameter. This code will be added to the URL automatically. Then we have BCC email address. You can enter your business email address here. When a visitor uses buy for me, you get a copy of the sent email. Only you can see this email address. Then we have email subject prefix. If you want, you can add a sender's name to the sent email subject. The other option is send a receiver's name to the sent email subject. Currently it is set to none. I'm going to select add a receiver's name to the sent email subject. Okay, then we have use a single color scheme, which is disabled. If I go here, you will see color scheme is there. And if I select another color, you will see that different colors are used. Now these are the colors which will be used in the email. So you have an option to change the colors which will be sent to the receiver. If you do not want all these colors to be shown, you can select one of these options from here and only that color will be used. Then we have custom color scheme. Here you can select custom and from here you can change the custom colors. So these are the colors that you are going to use when you select this custom option. Then we have window color, window background color. This is the background color for the window, text color, heading color. So if you want to change these colors, you can change them from here. Here you will see button text is set to buy for me. This is the button. If you want to change that label, you can change it from here. Then we have email preview. You will see it here, email preview. If you want to change this label, you can change this label. So all these labels are listed here. If you want, you can change these labels. Then we have warning message. Your email has been sent. You will also get a copy of it to you. So whenever someone fills up the form, it is going to show a success message like this. And this is the error message. Preview default. This is what you will see it here. Would you please buy this awesome piece for me? This is the default content. If you want to change this default content, you can change it. And this is the shop now button. You will see it here, shop now. And you will see that text is added automatically in the email. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Let's say instead of using my dear, I'm going to use, let's say, honey. And you will see the changes here like this. So user will be able to customize the content on the email which will be sent. Below that we have I can forgive you if you buy this. You will see it here. This is going to be the email subject and this is the default subject. If you want to change, you can change it. User will also be able to change the email subject line. Below that you will see the email subject prefix, email subject prefix word, disclaimer notice, custom CSS. So these are the basic settings of buy for me button. Let's click on save changes. If you make any changes, you can click on save changes. Let's go back, let's close it and let's refresh it. All right, let's click on buy for me and let's try it. Now let's change this message. Hi honey, would you? All right, instead of honey, I'm going to use the name of the receiver. Let's say Jim is the name of the receiver. So this is going to be a personalized message. Hi Jim, would you please buy this necklace for me? So I have customized the content here and here I'm going to add the name of the visitor. Let's say the name of the visitor is Jen and this is the email address. The receiver's name is Jim, and this is the email address of the receiver. And this is the email subject. I'm going to customize it. So this is going to be the subject line, and I'm going to click on send email, and you will see the success message here. Your email has been sent. So it is working properly. It is going to send one email to Jim, and Jim will see the products. Jim will be able to click on shop now button, and the receiver will be able to buy this product for Jen. So this is how it works. So if you want to add buy for me button on your WooCommerce website, you can try using this plugin. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. There is another plugin available on the WooCommerce official website, Buy For Me for WooCommerce, and the price of this plugin is $39. The features and the settings of this plugin are also similar to the other plugin. If you want to buy this official plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link to buy any one of these plugins. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.